Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to withdraw money from Polymarket in the easiest way. First, open Polymarket and go to the cash section. Next, tap on withdraw. Now Polymarket will withdraw using USDC on the Polygon network, so make sure your wallet or exchange supports that. You can use wallets like Phantom or exchanges like Coinbase or Binance. Open the wallet or exchange you want to send it to, then find receive/deposit USDC and select Polygon network. Copy your Polygon address, it should start with 0x, then paste it back into Polymarket. Quick tip, if you're withdrawing for the first time, try $1 first just to be safe. After that, hit withdraw and wait for it to process. If it fails, it might be network congestion, just try again later. And that's it. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessory store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.